Papa's house. They live up in the Boot Heel of Missouri. Bought him a little tractor, and we had to put new rear main seal in it. It was kind of weird because it has these little rubber seals on each side too, and then you drive a pin up inside there. And now, what did we take this hydraulic? Oh yeah, we had to take that line off so that we could, from the pump, so that we could actually get up in there to get that other pin driven in for the seal. Then we ended up draining the transmission fluid and the hydraulic fluid because it was all milky. Had water in it. Gonna put the oil pan back on. And our high pressure. Where's that thing at anyway? This thing was dumping oil out the rear main. And we got to put a new oil filter on it. Old style, heavy duty, all the way. What year is this thing? 50? What is this, a 50?
I think a 58.
58 Ford 601.
Here's the fin just
Yeah, that filter's legit. Solid. Got the pan back on it. Here's your high pressure line going from your pump down to the case, which then sends that back to the 3-point. And a classic style oil filter. Points are kind of corroded, so we removed them. Man, look at that little bitty clip right there.
We're probably going to get the wires off right there. We're probably going to check that coil, make sure it's not going to ground or anything.
Yeah.
You know, I'm not sure if we can or not though.
This coil doesn't look too bad.
No.
This one right here looks kind of rough.
Yeah.
But as long as the winding and stuff aren't short,
Yeah.
it should be fine.
Yeah. But the thing is, if any of those pieces will fall off of there, we don't want them so much as falling off inside of there and that motor's running, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because it fall off and grind it up in there or something.
They're turning on.
Look at that. Look.
Like new.
Polished right up, didn't it?
Yep. That's good, dude.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. We just got to clean it up. You got any brake cleaner or something to spray it?
Yep. You can't really.
Here, where's the leg? I'm gonna get a leg in here. Anyway, try to look at this side once. Can you see that side, the stationary side?
Oh yeah, I see what you're saying.
Is it okay? Does it look like?
Hold on. Let me see what I'm looking at. It looks good.
Okay, look
Then
at this side. Hold on. See anything? One's really good, the other one's not so good.
Weak.
This one over here doesn't look so good. Yeah. But that could be the plug too. We don't know for sure.
Yeah.
You know, it's just plugs. Did I?
True.
I burned them both off, I think, didn't I?
I'm not sure if you did or not.
They look like they're dry and stuff. Yeah, I burned them off.